Now, this is not just in the scriptures. Let me tell you that even science today is backing this up. It is very interesting. You can Google this later after the session. But if you Google resonance theory of consciousness, you will find it very similar, that science is coming very close to what Mandukya said almost 3,000 years ago. Yeah, but science is coming to it now in the 21st century. So what does resonance theory of consciousness say? Saying all things in this universe, all objects, from planets to mountains to stones to plants to this human body, everything is vibrating. Every single object is constantly in motion. Yeah, even insects, birds, animals, humans, planets, all objects, everything, all non-living objects also. So when they went deeper into this, that everything is vibrating, oscillating, they found out different frequencies for this physical body that is vibrating, different frequency of a butterfly that is vibrating, a different frequency for a mountain that is vibrating. There are different frequencies at which the planets vibrate. Yeah, vibrate or move or oscillate, whatever the words are. Now, something very interesting happens when different vibrating things come together. They sync up. And this phenomena has astonished the scientists. They wonder how can suddenly the frequency of two different objects vibrating at two different frequencies suddenly sync up and they vibrate together. Yeah, when they vibrate together or when they sync up, this is called resonance. So it is resonance theory. And they did a lot of research. You can read up later on this. They did research on insects, fireflies. They did research on them. They start flashing in sync suddenly. They did research on planets. The moon's rotation is exactly synced with its orbit around the earth such that we always see the same face of the moon. Have you ever wondered? Earth is rotating around its axis. Moon is rotating. How come we see the same face of the moon always? Why don't we see another face of the moon if we are also rotating and the moon is also rotating? That's because the rotation is synced. Yeah, so like this, many experiments have been conducted. There are gamma, beta, alpha, delta waves, electrical impulses in your brain. When they sync up, you come into a very meditative state. So because they conducted numerous experiments, they have now come to at least accept that there is consciousness in everything.